What's going on, Rockstar? Jory here, and in today's video, we're talking about camera confidence course. What the hell am I talking about? Well, I have a free camera confidence course that I'd like to invite you to join me in. But before I do that, what I would like to explain to you is just a few more things about being confident on camera, because there's a reason why I'm giving away this information, because I see most people, they have a fear of being on camera. And I want to let you know that you are no different than anybody else. I also want to let you in on a little secret. And that secret is, I too, to this very day, still get nervous in front of the camera. But let me tell you something that I heard, and it has stuck with me ever since. And here's the saying: everyone gets butterflies in their stomach. The trick is to make those butterflies fly in formation. If you can do that, you can accomplish anything and any task you set your mind to, whether it's being in front of that camera or in life. So those are the type of tips and tricks and the techniques that I use to get confident in front of that camera, because I know not everybody has this skill, but it is something that you can learn. And I want to help you to become less awkward and more confident in front of the camera. Okay, so now that I've explained that to you, we're going to bring this back to the camera confidence course. And if you'd like to join the course, I will leave more information in the description below. But what I would like to do now is actually take you inside the course. I'm actually going to give you a sneak peek of the course so you can see if it's something that you actually want to join, because it is a 5-day camera confidence mastery challenge that I had done on another event, and it's recorded and you can watch it at your leisure. So right now what I'm going to do is play a little snippet of that training so that you can see exactly what's inside of the training. Amy says, yes, Janine, I hate how the dark circles under my eyes show up on camera. Yikes. There are solutions for that. Okay. There are ways to do all of that. Okay. Oh, it has a lot to do with the angle of the camera and lighting. Okay. Let me show you a little bit of what I mean. Because the easiest way, as you see, I'm into practicality. Instead of me explaining it to you, and I can do that, I like to show you as well. So first, let me explain it to you. The angle of the light and the angle of the camera, the way you have the camera positioned, is very, very crucial. What I see a lot of people do is they put this camera and they do it down at an angle. Okay? So in other words, the camera's looking up at the person. Okay, that's not a very flattering look. It's pretty much akin to someone looking up your nose, because that's pretty much what you're doing. Okay. What I see a lot of young ladies do is they hold that camera up higher. Now, the reason for that is it gives you a much more flattering look. Okay, as opposed to holding it down. So what you want to try to do is have a balance between holding it down and holding it too high. If you hold it just at eye level, okay, where you're framed, as we call it, in the shot properly, that's the best way. Now, let me show you the circles under your eyes, okay? I don't think I have circles under my eyes, but you can kind of see, now that I'm pointing it out, the shadows. Okay? But it's not so much this way, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn off one of my lights, and you're going to see the shadows on one side of my face, okay, on this side, are going to increase more than it was prior, okay? So now I'm going to slowly turn off this light, still keeping on the other ones. And now you can see it's not that bad, but on this side, it's a big dramatic difference, right? Okay. This is what people lack when they're doing all this. They do not take into account lighting. They just flip it on and they're in a dark room and in the club and want to show you what's going on. And hey, girl, check out this and they can't see you. They could barely hear you with all the noise in the background. Okay, show you how to get around that. Okay, so now watch. Now I'm going to turn this light back on. Okay, and try to get it back to the exact setting I had before. And as I slowly turn it up, you can see the shadow decrease. Okay, because the secret where the camera is, whether it's in your phone or in your laptop, is the more light you have, the better that camera's going to do its job. Okay, so you need to have light. Okay, we're getting a little bit advanced, but I'm answering your questions. So I hope you enjoyed that training and I hope you got something out of it. And if you want to know more about it, like I said, I'm going to leave the link to that course down below in the description if you're interested. Make sure, if you haven't already, to like this video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. This way you won't miss any of the video goodness that I make just for you. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. And if you like this kind of thing, make sure to watch this video right over here, where I'm going to go more into some tips and tricks that you can use and the techniques that I use to be more confident on camera. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.